Tired of bland coffee? Upgrade your mornings with the HiBREW H3. YouTube script. Intro. Upbeat music playing with shots of the H3B in action. Host. Are you tired of mediocre coffee? Do you crave that rich, aromatic brew that starts your day right? Then say hello to the HiBREW H3B, the ultimate all-in-one coffee machine. Show close-ups of the machine's features. Host. The H3B isn't just a coffee machine, it's your personal barista. With its versatile 3-in-1 brewing system, you can use Nespresso capsules, Dolce Gusto capsules, or even your favorite ground coffee, all in one compact machine. Imagine the possibilities. Espresso, lungo, American style, all at the touch of a button. Show quick shots of different coffee types being made. Host. And the taste? Unbelievable. The 20-bar professional pressure extracts every ounce of flavor and crema, giving you that cafe-quality coffee you deserve. But it's not just about power, it's about personalization. Adjust the cup volume, choose from 7 temperature settings, and let the magnetic capsule detection system ensure perfect extraction every time. Show the easy-to-use interface and adjustable settings. Plus, the H3B is incredibly user-friendly. The 850-milliliter water tank, detachable drip tray, and one-touch operation make cleanup a breeze. Its compact design fits perfectly on any countertop, making it ideal for your home, office, or even travel. Show the compact design and easy cleaning features. Don't settle for less. Upgrade your coffee experience today. For a limited time, we're offering a special discount on the HiBREW H3B. Click the link in the description below to order yours now and experience the difference. But hurry, this offer won't last. End screen with website link, discount code, and social media links. Upbeat music fades out. HiBREW H3B, your perfect cup, your way.